Welcome back. We got Kelly Polam from Wesley House and Ronnie Rambo from Crossline Churches of Joplin with us this morning. It's time once again to feed our four steaks. Thank you guys for coming and talking to us. I wanted to ask y'all, tell me about what is it like for the food pantries during the holidays?
I'd say this is a really busy time of the year for us, just the added financial pressure that comes with wanting to put gifts under the tree, knowing that kids are going to be home from school for a couple weeks. Utility bills have started to climb this month. So this is a year where we see a lot of people that we don't see any other time of the year, or maybe who have never come before.
Wow, definitely.
And we see the same thing as well at Wesley House.
Do you think, the economy, inflation, things like that really contribute for families to have more of a need for food during these times?
Definitely. Our numbers have gone up as the cost of utilities and gas have increased, and the cost of food as well.
Yeah, not only have our numbers gone up, but inflation has affected us also. So now we have more people needing help than ever, and it's more expensive for us to provide that help than ever.
If somebody, of course, I'm assuming that not just the holidays time is, time to donate, but what if I want to donate outside the holiday season to help out the food pantries?
At Crosslines, the best way to give is online through our website, which is crosslinesjoplin.org, and there's just a big donate button. But we also have a lot of gracious donors that just mail in that check every month, and we should certainly appreciate that as well.
And at Wesley House, a lot of our donors do mail in a check. We do get food donations that come in through the door, so we accept them either way.
Nice. Tell me about the impact on the community. I know you're with Joplin's community and you're with Pittsburgh community. What have you heard for, are they grateful? Are they really stepping up to the plate?
For sure. We serve folks in Webb City, Joplin, and Carl Junction. And for this is our 40th year. So for 40 years, specifically, the local church has supported and made Crosslines possible and stepped up to the plate. And the community has been very supportive of us.
We've had a lot of support as well. And we've also been operating for 40 years. And the community just really steps in and is definitely appreciative of what we have to offer.
Is there any specific items that your pantries would like to have or that's more in demand?
Anything you think when you think about kind of that, holiday time, holiday meal, those things that, especially coming out of Thanksgiving into Christmas, stuffing, boxed food, but then like things like peanut butter, ramen noodles, anything that lasts a long time, any kind of canned goods are always high in demand. And those canned goods are very expensive for us right now. So donations appreciated.
The same thing. I just kind of keep repeating what Rodney has said, but we see the same needs in our food pantry as well.
That's good. And of course, not only just giving food to people in need, but how does this mean to them? Obviously, yes, they have food to put in their bellies, but do they feel like the community cares? Do they feel like they have some type of support?
Certainly. We say at Crosslines, when you donate to Crosslines, you're serving your neighbor that's in need. And so for that neighbor, this time of year, the ability to do those extra holiday things is really made possible when the burden of having a grocery bill is relieved by your neighbor next door.
And a lot of people who come in for our services are extremely thankful and express that, how much it means to them to be able to get food.
Yeah.
Is the holidays the hardest time for you guys?
For us, this is one of the busiest times of the year, especially this year. Given inflation, I've met more people who have never been to a food pantry before than I ever have before, maybe since the height of COVID. So this is definitely the busiest time of the year for us.
Ours is very busy as well. We do also do a Christmas basket giveaway that is food for people during the holidays. So we work on that along with our regular pantry hours.
Well, thank you guys for being here and thank you for partnering with the Forward States. It's great that you guys are helping the community, and we'll be right back with more.